Welcome to Hands-on Equations Fractions Lesson 2. In Lesson 2, we will now add a constant to both sides of the equation instead of just having one on the right side. So the first problem that we're going to look at is this one, and we read this problem as 5/6 of y increased by 2 is 12. We can also read it as 5/6 of y and 2 more is 12. Since 1/6 of y is our green block, 5/6 would be 5 of our green blocks. So we are going to be solving for our green block, our yellow block, and our check. Now we've set up our 5/6 here, and then we put 12 on this side and a 2 on this side to complete the setup of our problem. So as we remember from hands-on equations, we can perform a legal move here, and I can remove a 2 number cube from this side and a 2 number cube from this side, leaving this setup. From here, we see that 5 of our green blocks are equal to 10, and that means that each one of our green blocks is equal to 2. And since each of our green blocks is equal to 2, our yellow block, which is comprised of 6 green blocks, would be equal to 12. When we set up our original problem, we can see that if each of our green blocks equals 2, on this side we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. On this side we also have 12. So the answer is green block equals 2, yellow block equals 12, and our check is 12 equals 12. Our next problem is 3/2 of y increased by 4 is equal to 19. And since our half block is represented by our red blocks, we will be solving in this problem for our red block, our yellow block, and then we will do our check. So to set up our problem, we would put 3/2 plus 4 is equal to 19. Okay, so just like before, I'm going to start with my legal move of removing a 4 number cube from this side, which would make this side now 15. And if 3 of these blocks are equal to 15, each one of those blocks is worth 5. If each one of my red blocks is worth 5, that means that my yellow block is worth 10, 5, 10. And then I can reset this up in order to do my check. So if my red block is worth 5, my left side is worth 5, 10, 15 plus 4 is 19, and my right side is also worth 19. And so my solution is my red block equals 5, yellow equals 10, and my check is 19 equals 19. You are now ready to complete lesson 2.